I'll be making a handle using a piece of 1/2-inch wood dowel between two of these balls. I need to drill a hole in here, and I need to drill a hole at right angles to that so I can mount it to a flat surface. We've all seen how to do this. You take a Forstner bit, just make a pocket so this ball will sit down in there. Sometimes that'll cooperate, sometimes it won't. So I'm going to put a clamp on it so I don't have to hold it with my fingers. I'm drilling that a 1/2 inch deep. Now I take a 1/2 inch dowel, stick it in that hole, put that back in here, and I look at this gap and see how thick a piece I need to make this dowel sit parallel to this part. And in my case, a piece of 1/8 inch plywood works just right. I'm just going to use the point of this brad point bit to put a drill mark . And the main reason is this bit is too long for me to use a shorter bit of a smaller diameter without moving this table. So I'm going to use a long reach drill bit, and mine is not running exactly true, but with that drill point it'll be just fine. This is a 6-inch long drill bit. I didn't want to have to relocate my table and relocate the center of this little holding pocket that I've created. So I located where I wanted to drill with the point of that 1/2 inch brad point bit. This runs a little bit off center. Once I come down here, it'll stabilize once it hits that little place that I've started. I can now stick a drill bit in here and use a square, and I can measure from here to here and at the top and verify that this is at right angles to that wood dowel. When I glue this ball onto the wood dowel on one end, I can just glue it on there and forget about it. But when I get ready to put the ball on the other end, I put a drill bit in both of those holes. I can turn those two balls until I know that they're in alignment. The ball is glued to the end of the dowel, the glue has dried, and I've placed a drill bit in this hole. I have a drill bit in the hole in this ball. When these two are glued together, I will sight down these drill bits, just visually, turn these until they're in perfect alignment, let the glue dry, then I know that I'll be able to attach that to the side of the cabinet. Or you can bring it to the edge of your table saw and just press down on those two drill bits and they will come into alignment. And then just let that sit until the glue sets up.